Really, what are you doing in there? Like in your doghouse? Huh? Look at you. Oh, bless you. Okay, let's see if I can get polar alignment. The skies look pretty blue. Okay. Alright, tonight we'll be doing my star alignment with the SCT there over there on the knee mount. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm doing oxygen for 300 seconds and it's gonna do its thing. Settling, and it's going on to the next frame. It's very hard to get oxygen because I'm not getting anything. See, high stretch, nothing. Okay, my guiding, I'm at a total RMS of 0.55. There's my star profile. And these are my settings going across. Okay, this is what I filmed last night, which I couldn't get any oxygen, but I believe I have enough hydrogen alpha here. So my shooting for tonight is a complete set of HOO, doing a 2 mosaic. That is some good detail right there. Okay, this is the target that I'm shooting at. I'm shooting at SAO 2334 or HD 217061. It's a star, has a magnitude of 8.75 and a distance of 2,051 light years away from Earth. And there's my target. I'm trying to be different here and go after stars surrounded by stellar massive nebulosity. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, there she goes. Now click on, let's see how that's going. And let's do auto stretch high. Not much for oxygen, man. I just don't get it. And let's see, history, we want image statistics. Starting out, only got 61 stars of a mean of 1,055. And that's how much I have to go by. HD 217061. And it's a type of a star I'm going after, which is surrounded in a very high nebulous area and has a magnitude of 8.75 and a distance of 2,051 light years away from Earth. It's up there in the 60s in declination of 62. That's pretty north high. Okay, let's click on over. Bear with me, I'm trying to see what I'm doing here with my mouse. Okay, my guiding is, wow, total RMS of 0.39. And these are my settings for my EQ6-R Pro. 70, 10, 0.44, 100, 0.55, 25 set for auto on the deck side. Okay, there is my 600 second. I'm at focal point of 24,133 and I have a mean of 772 stars found, 65. It's still, the moon is still out, so that's pretty good from the other night. Okay, let's take a look. Let's do ostrich low. That's do medium, and let's do high. Now that's not bad for a 10-minute, right? Okay, what else can I say? I'd say that's pretty good. Okay, that's all I have for now. As I roll my mouse here back and forth, you can see the intensity for a 10-minute exposure. That's 600 seconds with my new mount. This mount is awesome.